Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow others to share your post to their stories on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the menu icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. Click on the settings button at the top on the right side, then scroll down to audience and visibility and click on profile and tagging. Here you have this third feature, allow others to share your post to their story. So if you create a public post, anyone on Facebook can share it to their story. If you tag someone, they can also share it to their story. The story will include your full name and the link to your post and will be visible for 24 hours. So if you would like this feature to be enabled, click on this button on the right side of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.